In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and mental exhaustion are common struggles that affect millions. You may find yourself feeling overwhelmed by constant demands at work, personal life stressors, or simply the weight of day-to-day challenges. The result: your mental health takes a hit, and you're left feeling drained and disconnected. But what if you could use just a few minutes each day to significantly reduce stress and boost your mental well-being? The secret lies in something incredibly simple yet profoundly effective: meditation. The problem: stress taking a toll on your mental health. From the moment we wake up, our minds are flooded with thoughts. Whether it's work deadlines, family responsibilities, or personal worries, these mental burdens can create constant anxiety and prevent us from feeling at ease. The result: increased anxiety, feeling restless, uneasy, or anxious throughout the day. Chronic stress, an ongoing sense of pressure that wears down your emotional resilience. Difficulty focusing, the mental clutter can make it hard to concentrate on important tasks. If you're struggling with any of these, you're not alone, and the good news is that you don't have to suffer. The secret solution: meditation for mental clarity and calm. Meditation is a powerful tool that has been practiced for centuries to bring peace, focus, and emotional balance. It's not just for monks or yogis, it's a practice that anyone, regardless of age or background, can benefit from. Here's how meditation can transform your mental health. Reduces stress. Studies show that meditation lowers cortisol, the body's stress hormone, helping you feel more relaxed. Improves focus. By training your mind to focus on the present moment, meditation enhances concentration and mental clarity. Boosts emotional health. Regular practice can help manage negative emotions, leading to a more positive mindset. Try this simple meditation at home. You don't need a special setting or hours of practice to experience the benefits. Here's a quick, beginner-friendly meditation to get you started. Find a quiet space, sit in a comfortable chair or on the floor, ensuring your spine is straight. Focus on your breath, close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Focus all your attention on the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Clear your mind. As thoughts arise, gently acknowledge them and let them go. Return your focus to your breath without judgment. Set a timer. Start with just 5 minutes. This is enough to begin experiencing a sense of calm and clarity. End with gratitude. Before finishing, take a moment to reflect on something you're grateful for. This helps end your session on a positive note.